And breaking news, if you want to be a subscriber or leave a comment, you need to watch at least 4 minutes of this video. I have had a lot of comments and subscribers that get deleted because of this. Thank you for your support, and now I return you to your regular scheduled show. Today's video, it's all about whooping cranes, white pelicans, great blue herons, and once again, we find an alligator in somebody's backyard. Stay tuned, watch it to the end. All right, welcome to Rockport. As always, remember to
subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, ring that notification bell. We do these videos for you. We like to share our experiences, so give us some comments and we'll write you back.
And let's go.
We have found another quaint area, this time in Texas. Nestled on the Gulf Coast, just north of Corpus Christi. This area is known for its fishing and bird watching. We had lunch at the Paradise Key Dockside Grill. They have their own bird watching dock, which we sat on for a while and saw several different birds. We're not really bird watchers, so I don't know really what kind of birds they were. But we saw several different unique birds. One was a bright red bird. Wasn't a cardinal, but... This restaurant has a pleasant atmosphere, great food, and even had live music. If you're in the area, this is a great place to stop and have lunch or dinner. We took a nice drive along the coast, and what was a great decision. Such amazing views. We saw a lot of the area's local birds that they're known for. It was nesting season for the whooping crane. We also saw some sandpipers, laughing gulls, Rosetta spoonbills, some sandhill cranes, blue herons, and many others. It was a beautiful day, a little chilly, but the sun was out and we were enjoying ourselves very much. Even saw a lonely alligator.
All right, we're at another Texas site that says they have the oldest oak tree. So let's go check it out and see what we can find out. We are coming up to the section here. We're in Goose Island State Park. It's in Lamar, Texas. And here's their sign that says the big tree. So let's go find out how big a tree this is. Wondering about oak trees, if you kind of see how these lean. The reason they lean is because of the winds from the Gulf and the salt air won't allow them to grow. So they will actually lean towards inland, which is kind of interesting. So what's the story?
I don't know. It doesn't have any of the details, so I can't compare.
Well, this tree doesn't look as big as the other one.
I don't think so either.
I think it's
in
Columbus, Texas. They say they have the oldest tree in Texas. And they say this is the oldest tree in Texas. But definitely that one is a lot bigger than this.
How far is Columbus?
100 and...
No, 2, wasn't it 2? Here, you just...
But from just looking at it, this does not look like the largest tree. I would think the one in Columbus might have been the largest. Today we are at Columbus, Texas. We found something that was very unique. What is it? It's the oldest oak tree in America. It is 500 years old.
It says it's 61 feet in circumference. And I don't know what the height was, I forgot. But it's pretty big.
All right, let's go take a look at it.
So 2 trees in the same state claim to be the oldest tree. So we got to see both, and this was our conclusion. We feel that the biggest tree was in Columbus, Texas, which was 500 years old. But the tree in Rockport claims to be 1,000 years old. It wasn't quite as big, but you know, the older you get, you start shrinking. So we've decided to name the Columbus tree the biggest tree in Texas, and the Rockport tree the oldest tree in Texas. But all in all, still both trees were massively impressive. Well worth going to see.
There you can see how big this tree is compared to her standing there. And I still don't even have the camera in full frame yet of the whole tree. Somebody else said on the internet that they thought it was such a large tree they were waiting for the Keebler elf to come out.
It's 28 feet in circumference, 61 feet high, and its crown spread is over 114 feet. So it's a pretty big tree.
Just never know when you're out on the road the things that you can see. See it or not, even the ferns have made a life living on the tree. We are at the Fulton Mansion, which the town of Fulton, Texas, was named after. Let's take a look. It's not open today, but we can take a look at the outside. This is considered, I think, the back of the house. At least we're in the back. I don't know if it's the back or the front. Let's check around the other side. And there's another big oak tree that the area is, Texas is well known for oaks. Fulton Mansion in Rockport, Texas. If you'd like to stop the video at any of these signs and pause it, you could read a little bit of history of the county.
So unfortunately, most things in the Rockport-Fullerton area are closed on Sundays and Mondays, which happened to be 2 of the 3 days we were here. This artsy town is very relaxing and a quiet area with nice beaches. So if you're into bird watching and relaxing, Rockport-Fullerton, Texas is well worth the stop for you.
Thanks for coming along on the video today. We have a whole bunch of more videos that we're going to be posting here soon, so stay tuned. Watch for the next one coming up because the coronavirus will be gone before you know it.
We'll be back on the road again.
And remember,
subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, ring that bell, and if you want to see where we stayed at in Rockport, check the link up above, and that's where we were at.